we're on the way to find Potasi Estate.
Yeah, Potosi Estate. Yeah.
And I have Irina with me. Yes.
Yeah. Goes through a rainforest. There is some river somewhere, so
People,
that should be good for Jamaica.
adventure,
right?
adventure,
No, but
adventure.
listen.
Look at this, so beautiful. Montego Bay River. Don't know where I'm going. I just following her instructions here, and she's like, well, I'm not sure neither.
Well, it's somewhere here.
Can't find it, but I trust her. I'm like, girl, you got this. We find this. Wow.
Look at that.
Montego Bay River, where it starts.
Yep. Okay.
Further.
Go ahead.
That's where the adventure with the car stops, because I'm not gonna chance it, because we way in bush baka bush and if I get stuck in this mud, well, we get stuck in this mud, then that's it. Then you guys have to come for us anyway. So that's where the hike starts.
Yeah, and
Hear the bamboos in the background. I just hear pong 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 bamboo. No. See, people, water would run through here. They would throw the sugar cane from top there, and it would slide down, and then I think they would take it from over there. This place is amazing. Like these ruins out in the nowhere. We just have this big place. Everything overgrown. I feel like Indiana Jones here. Yes, we are in Montego Bay. All right, let's go and see how the weather is like. Yes, because today's adventure depends on the weather. So let's check it out. But of course, we need first a coffee. Yeah, because otherwise nothing is functioning. Yeah, see, need a coffee. So brain is working. Where's the coffee? All right. Today we're dealing with instant coffee, because it's not always freshly brewed Blue Mountain coffee. No, sometimes you're traveling and then it's just an instant. But that's fine. We can work with this. Ta-da! Number one, don't leave the house without the key, because if the door locks, you're out. And then I have to call Irina. Yes, help me. I locked myself out. No, we don't want that. All right, let's see what's going on out there. Yeah, hi. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Oh, really? Yeah, you are your mother? Yeah, yeah. You're right. Oh, people. That's where I'm gonna have my coffee. What a nice morning from Montego Bay. All right, good morning again. So today we want to go and dive. So today dive snorkeling, yes. The plan is to go snorkeling with Irina today, so she will show me a nice shipwreck which is supposed to be around that side. We hope it's still there. It's been a while, she said she haven't been out there, so that will be the adventure, to see if the shipwreck is still there, and then we go check it out. Sea looks flatisher. It looks like, yeah, we're gonna have a little nice snorkeling this morning, but you know how it is with the sea. Sometimes it's flattish and then it gets more choppy later in the day, so we try to catch that calm part of this morning. People, I'm sending greetings to the world. Yes, wherever you are, greetings to you from Montego Bay. Yes. Me go see. Yeah. If I'm that close, I'll definitely go in there and check out what's going on. Yes, so I'm glad it's not too choppy, but it's picking up, so we better getting ready soon. So I have my gear. I don't have my super duper fins with me today, unfortunately. Yes, that means more work for my legs, but that's fine, going for the workout. And of course we have this. You wash your glass already?
Not yet. I'm gonna spit on it.
You're gonna spit on it?
I'm just gonna spit.
We have two techniques. You have the spitters and then you have the... That's great. Spitting works, especially if you don't have this cool stuff here. Some liquid dishwash.
You're gonna use this footage roll.
All right, my people. So this is the first time I'm using this mask. I'm very excited because it has the head mount. Anyway, it's the first time, and usually it's gonna fog. So there's a technique which I heard and learned, and I don't know what, but it's my first time really using it, the lighter, to basically burn the silicone or something inside, or I don't know. There must be something on it. And we try it. And
I have no idea. It says tempered glass. So. Do you have a second mask just in case?
I actually have a second mask in case I screw this up.
You never know, you know? You know what? It's too does work, but you have. AJ, do we have another lighter?
All right, people.
Watch out!
We need to get to our dive site, and that's how you get there.
Be careful. You're good.
Yeah. All right, that's a bush up. So we're using
like
a different trail. No.
So that's a shipwreck. Alright, so part of it coming out. Here's the anchor. And this is my new mast working very well. Choppy. But so we go sometimes. Hey, I'm in the water. Over there. I didn't know what time we're down here. Just got moved. We made it. We made it back safely. Not particularly fast, did you say? Maybe next time we go shopping. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. I know, right? Just to search for mermaids. That's another talent I have. Yeah, always scratch or something. Ooh, windy. This was another amazing adventure. Yes. This was so cool. Big up again to Irina from Jamaica with Irina. I will leave the link below so you can check out her channel. And yes, I'll catch you on my next adventure.